Cabinet Minister Malpractice, while addressing media persons today, stated that Meghalaya remains protected from any potential influx from neighbouring Assam due to the Land Transfer Act of 1971, which safeguards the interests of the scheduled tribes.
When it comes to influx, uh, we are blessed to have this Land Transfer Act and the 6th schedule, where if anybody from outside they would like to come and stay in our state, the most important thing for them to have is that they need a proper document, especially if it is a non-tribal. It's almost next to impossible for them to come and then capture our land because we are well protected. No doubt, we still want some more protection when it comes to ILP, RMSSA, or whatever it is protection. We do need it. But as of now, we need not fear up to that mark that since we have all this protection, especially the Land Transfer Act, so those people, I believe, they cannot harm us. But still, we have to be alert because unnecessarily, if they enter Meghalaya and then later on we have to chase them, it doesn't look nice. It's better to protect now, but in the end, we are still very much protected by our Land Transfer Act. Not only the East Giant Hills, the whole state, as we have mentioned from time to time, is really much needed. But whatever the protection we have, I feel with this the equipment, especially we have the officers in different level, different line department, all this is good enough for us. But still, the more the better, and whatever we have, and we have full faith in our officers, in police department and the district administration, they can protect us. And this will happen with all the people of our state join hand together, and then we work together as a team, then nothing can stop us. Nobody can harm us.
Regarding allegations of illegal coal transportation, the minister denied the existence of any such malpractice. However, he asserted that any such activities, if occurring, must be strictly curbed. He further informed that licensed mine owners have already initiated the process of scientific mining in the state.
When it comes to coal, it's not that I'm trying to justify myself or for the state. Just would like to remind us that Meghalaya is one of the highest rainfall. So being the highest rainfall, and anything could happen. If you remember, where there's one allegation mentioning that because of the soil and because of the rain in Meghalaya, that the flood happened in Assam, and especially from East Giant Hills, all those water, it goes to Bangladesh. So never know, it could be because of the rain it carried away. Being the highest rainfall, chances is very high. So still then I cannot blame just the rain. It could be or it could be not there, but I really don't have any kind of details with me to say that whether there's any illegal. But I believe since we have the authority to look after this, there should not be any kind of practice illegally when it comes to transportation or mining, whatever it is. It should be as per law. So that is what I feel. Allegation, it might be against anybody, against any state, any department, but it's just that we need to have a proof whether it's a fact or not. So for this, they can try. The department is there, the friend line department and different sources is there. They can find it out and they'll get a result. But I believe that our people, if it is for survival, they might do it illegally. Otherwise, nobody wants to do any kind of illegal methods where it can hamper the state, or just for enjoyment, they will not do any kind of illegalities. But if it happens that about to die just for survival, then though I cannot say, it might be. But I believe our people, they will not do such kind of thing, illegalities. They are much happy, especially with the announcement of Chief Minister regarding with this scientific mining, where all of us, we are happily welcome it, and we would love to see the light of the day with this mining, scientific mining. So I believe that our people will not play such kind of fool things where the court or the law will have a chance to point fingers on us. Because of it's rainy season, I cannot say exactly, but our people are trying. Those who got license, especially my Thomas families, so they have gone ahead, and we are waiting for the light of the day. So looking forward as early as possible that the government, the moment they got the coal and they give them a challenge, then we can transport the coal legally to any source we require our coal.